Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a jump starter. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Make sure you're wearing appropriate eye protection and gloves. Confirm your vehicle is completely off and in park or neutral. It's also a good idea to quickly check your jump starter's battery level to ensure it has enough power for the job. Always consult your specific jump starter's manual for any unique instructions or warnings. Now let's connect the jump starter. First, take the red positive clamp and securely attach it to your vehicle's positive battery terminal, which is usually marked with a plus sign. Next, connect the black negative clamp to a clean, unpainted metal surface on the engine block, away from the battery. This creates a safe ground. Double-check that both connections are firm and stable before proceeding. With the clamps securely in place, it's time to start your vehicle. Turn on your jump starter unit as directed by its manufacturer. Then, try to start your car's engine. If it doesn't immediately turn over, wait for about 60 seconds before attempting to crank it again. Remember, avoid cranking the engine for more than 5 seconds during each attempt to prevent damage to the starter motor. Congratulations, your engine is running. Now, it's crucial to disconnect the jump starter safely. First, turn off the jump starter unit. Then, carefully remove the black negative clamp from the engine block. Next, detach the red positive clamp from the battery terminal. Finally, drive your vehicle for at least 20 minutes, or about 20 miles, to allow your car's alternator to adequately recharge the battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.